Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE refrigerator crisper cover glass. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open the package, you're going to get the new crisper cover glass. The crisper cover glass covers up the top of the crisper frame. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change a part, we have to open up the refrigerator door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the crisper cover glass. It's located right underneath this top drawer. We have to remove this, so we're just going to pull out on it and lift up on it, pull it out the rest of the way and set it aside. Once you have the upper drawer out of the way, we're going to open this drawer up, and then we can just reach in and lift up the glass and pull it out. Here's the old crisper cover glass next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new crisper cover glass in, all you have to do is line it up with the shelf and set the back in. Then you want to reach underneath and support it and set the front down. Once you have it in, we can close the middle drawer and then put the upper one in. All you have to do is line it up with the rails, push it back over the rollers, and then lift up a little bit, push it back in the rest of the way. Once you have it in, we can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.